Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove page break in Excel. So let's get into the video. At first, let's say in this area it's broken. From this page layout, I will give a page break here. Here you can see the page break is applied. If you now go to this file tab and go to this print option, as you can see, only a definite these names or definite area is shown here. A page break is shown here. There is a little line which is shown here. So how we'll remove this break? We'll again simply go to this page layout tab and click on the breaks option and click on remove page break. And here you can see there is still a line here. That's why I will go to this break option again and click on reset all page breaks. It will remove the whole page break from this page and fully set all um, the whole page again. Now you can set the whole page again for your printing. Let's select the area, go to this file option, go to this print option. As you can see, I can now just select a new print area. If I click on set print area, it will be set. Now let's go to this print option. As you can see, it's just selected. The whole print area is shown here. In the previous way, it was not shown because only this cell was selected. It will show you the cell you have selected. As I have now selected the whole cell and I have set it to the print area, that's why it's shown here. So yep, I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.